Today I'm bringing you another unlock tutorial for this device, which just came in for us to unlock the screen pattern password, as you can see here. This is the F14 model, and just a reminder, this procedure also works for other models. Alright? In some cases, you'll need to connect a cable to your computer and repeat the same procedure I'm going to show you here. So let's get started. You can leave the device on this screen or on the emergency screen. You're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When the device restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. Just follow along with the video and we'll get it done. Let's wait. Release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen and the word continue shows up, release the power button and keep holding the volume button up, just like you're seeing here in the video. I also want to remind you, if you need to unlock your email or your Google account, you can contact me directly and we can get that unlocked for you as well. Even from a distance, no matter where you are, you can get in touch and speak directly with me. As we mentioned to you at the beginning of the video, this procedure also works for other Samsung models. You can try it out there and I'm sure you'll be able to unlock it. Now on this screen, you're going to scroll down using the volume button until you reach the option with the blue highlight that says HIP Data Factory Reset. Then click to confirm using the power button. Now on this next screen, as you can see, it has changed, so scroll down again and go to this option down here. This is what we want. Confirm with the power button and let's wait for this process to complete. Once you get here, all you need to do is confirm, okay? Use the power button and don't touch anything else here. You'll see that the device will restart and it won't ask for any lock screen password anymore. Then you just set it up as usual and you'll have access to your device again. You'll see it will come back without any password. Let's just wait a little bit longer here. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe as well. Leave your like, it really helps us out a lot. And did this video help you? And if you can make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. So it might take a little while for it to get off this screen, but you'll see that it will come back without any default password on the home screen. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.